Here I have Infinix Zero 5 and let me show you how to enable here power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the upper bar. Let's do it twice, and here from the following options you need to choose the battery saver. So that's it, the battery saver is activated, and here we've got the icon of this mode. If you would like to disable this mode, let's use the same icon right here, and you can also hold down on battery saver for a few seconds to open the battery saver settings, and here you can enable or disable battery saver. You can also turn on automatically battery saver, for example when you have 5% of the battery. And here we've got read information that the battery saver improves battery lives by reducing your device performance and limits vibrations, location services and most background data. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.